This is the stepper motor that we'll be using in the next lab. The stepper motor is a very unique device. It's a motor which moves very small increments. I added a piece of tape on here so that when you do the experiment, you'll be able to see the actual motion. Now, where are these stepper motors used? They're used any place that we want very precise small increments of motion. One actual great application of it is in a 3D printer where you're moving things very precisely small amounts. Now, let's see if we could be able to connect this stepper motor to the Arduino in any way. There's no way that this will happen. The reason why this won't happen is because the Arduino cannot produce enough of current to be able to drive the motor. So the way we looked at power supplies on computers, we saw that the motors had separate power supplies to produce the current that's needed to drive the motor. Can't be done from here. So how is this done in our lab? Well, first of all, what we'll need is we'll need this device, which is going to be the power source that's going to drive the motor, since we cannot drive it directly from here. So, where are we going to get the power to drive it? Well, the way we're going to do it is we're going to use the battery as a source of power to drive the motor. And we'll connect the power to this point right here. Okay, let's go. There we go. Now, the way it's going to work on the breadboard is that it gets plugged right in. Gets plugged right in here. So the power on this strip will be coming from the battery. And we're going to use the power from here to drive the motor. But we're not going to go directly to the motor because we need to be able to control the signals to the motor. And the way we're going to control the signals to the motor is with this device. And basically, what the motor will connect to, the motor will connect right into here. And the other pins that we have on here will be going directly to the Arduino. So basically, we'll connect the motor here. Oopsie daisy. Here it is. And now it's connected. And what you'll notice on here are there's little LED lights. So as the Arduino is controlling it, we'll be able to see how the Arduino does it. So, basically, that's the setup. We're going to use this to power it. We're going to get the power from here, which is going to be going into this board, and then we're going to connect up the Arduino, and we'll see how that's done on the next little video. Okay.